Greetings, RV enthusiasts! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury and adventure unite in breathtaking style. We're thrilled to unveil a 2014 Entegra Anthem 42RBQ with just 72,000 miles. This 43-foot all-electric Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Spartan TAG AXLE chassis, features the highly popular 42RBQ floor plan with 4 huge slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 4 in plush comfort. Coated in Entegra's stunning Tuscan Sun full-body paint package, this RV gleams with prestige. Powered by a formidable Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a spectacular tour to explore every upscale detail of this remarkable coach. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2014 Entegra Anthem 42RBQ radiates timeless elegance. The Tuscan Sun graphics package bathes this coach in warm, sophisticated hues, ensuring it stands out at every campground or scenic vista. Stretching 43 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Spartan TAG AXLE chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by a Cummins ISL turbocharged diesel engine, it produces 450 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. Brand new tires all around ensure reliability and style, making this RV ready for countless journeys. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your outdoor lifestyle. A full pass-through basement storage compartment with a slide-out tray offers vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. A power patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers, and window awning package craft a shaded, luxurious retreat at any campsite. Four-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. A 15,000-pound trailer hitch adds versatility for towing. Powering your adventures is effortless with this all-electric RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 12.5-kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray delivers robust power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel, paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and an AquaHot 450D hydronic heating system for hot water and furnace heat keep you comfortable in any climate. Heated tile floors throughout add a touch of luxury, making this RV a standout for upscale travelers. Step inside, and the 42RBQ floor plan unfolds as a plush sanctuary, perfect for intimate getaways. 4 huge slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 4, ideal for couples or small groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and an L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa in the front living room. The front living area is a cozy retreat with an L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa, a dinette table with 4 chairs, a 50-inch LED TV, an electric fireplace with heat, and a 32-inch TV above the front seats, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. The heated tile floors and high-gloss cabinetry create a warm, luxurious ambiance. The full kitchen is a culinary delight, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, an extendable countertop, a dishwasher option, and pantry storage for all your cooking needs. The nearby dinette ensures comfortable dining for intimate meals or planning adventures. The 1.5 bath setup is exceptional, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, and a full-width rear bathroom with a huge shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, toilet, oversized sink and vanity, and wardrobe closet. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil oasis crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. The king bed and L-shaped sectional sofa provide comfortable sleeping for up to 4, ideal for intimate escapes or small group adventures. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 42RBQ floor plan, with 4 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior for 4. The Cummins ISL engine and Spartan chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and all-electric systems support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the aqua-hot heating, heated tile floors, and Tuscan Sun paint package add elegance, while the washer-dryer and dishwasher option boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2014 Entegra Anthem 42RBQ, exploring mountain passes, coastal highways, or tranquil campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, lounging by the electric fireplace, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like luxury with the freedom of the open road, and its Tuscan Sun exterior ensures you arrive in style. With only 72,000 miles, every journey will weave unforgettable memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Anthem is a standout choice. Entegra's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, heated tile floors, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathrooms to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The Tuscan Sun paint package enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The full pass-through storage with a slide-out tray makes organization effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. The power awnings and hydraulic leveling jacks elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The L-shaped sectional sofa and dinette create a perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining guests. The 50-inch LED TV and electric fireplace add warmth and entertainment, while the heated tile floors enhance the luxurious feel. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this Anthem? Its blend of luxury and versatility is unmatched, with features like the aqua-hot heating, dishwasher, and spacious interior that make life on the road effortless. The 42RBQ floor plan offers ample space for 4, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2014 Entegra Anthem 42RBQ is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with a stunning design. Reach out at 8642-609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2014 Entegra Anthem 42RBQ. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 8642-609-276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2014 Anthem 42RBQ. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you explore the road in elegance.